All right, so remember we have a whole pickup cycle that we've reviewed already. Um, and, we walked through that in our previous videos. And now we're starting the drop-off cycle. So this could probably be handled in different ways. I tend to try to use the same kind of logic for students so that you reinforce the learning for one specific way to do things. This may not necessarily be the best way to do this. And what I mean by that is that we are starting again with a physical object that we've modeled in Rhino. We're bringing that object in as a solid. So, we have this kind of vertical card here. And we're just sort of bringing it in. Okay, so it's the same thing that we did before. The only difference is that we have changed this slider, and we're basically ensuring that the edge that we've selected and the position that we're requiring the robot to move is not going to be vertical, it's going to be horizontal, okay? But it's pretty much the same procedure. Really the only thing that we have here different is the rotation might be a little different. I think here it's set to 0. Up here, let's see what it was set. It was set to 180. So this is all about guaranteeing that the pickup approach is going to be correct. So the first thing is very similar to our pickup cycle. We have that pickup plane, and we have a height adjustment. So you want to be able to start up here above the location and then move straight down and then move straight in. So it's a little bit more nuanced. So that's a simple target and positioning plane that we have brought in from Rhino. The next thing we're doing is adjusting the height. So we have the ability to move it down into position, but we're also being able to kind of determine the horizontal movement of these things so that we can adjust them carefully. Notice there's no gripper open and close. It's just a straight positioning. So we're moving down and then we're moving over with this horizontal approach. So in this case, we're just kind of getting it closer to where we're going to attach it. The third one, again, we have drop-off height adjustment and horizontal approach adjustment so that we can present the card for gluing. This might be where, as the robot's moving, you might want to pause it on the teach pendant so that you can dab your glue on the edge of the thing. Other than that, it's just another simple target. The only thing we have here is that we've broken this down into separate steps. In the next video, we can, let me move this note out of the way. We can give a little bit more attention to these last two remaining procedures, which are the ones for opening or releasing the card and opening the gripper, and then resetting the registers on the controller so that we can start again. Notice that we are doing a single card sequence, so we're just merging everything together. We're not using the weave component for this. Okay, but last time when we were doing the brush, the pickup for the tray, and then separate brush strokes, we were using the weave component. We'll do that in the next series. Okay, so one more video so we can finish this whole tutorial.